Hello and welcome. My name is Sergey. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you the whole process of SAP Mobile Card creation. I will show you how to enable and configure SAP Mobile Service, define a connection to backend system, develop an SAP Mobile Card, and enhance it using a number of techniques. Let's start. First of all, I need to log on in SAP Cloud Platform. Now I have to go to the trial account in the Neo environment and open services section. Here we should filter mobile category and open the service. First of all, we must enable the service. Okay, the service is enabled. Let's go to the configure mobile services and check if the needed role is assigned to our P user. Go to roles, press administrator. Okay, the administrator role is assigned. It means we can start creation SAP mobile cards. Go back and press go to service. The corresponding environment will be opened and we are able to create SAP mobile card. First of all, we have to define destination to our backend system. Go to the destinations section and press new. Provide a meaningful name to the destination. In this tutorial, we're going to use SAP ES5 demo system. So I'll call it ES5. Here's a URL to our destination. Press next, next, next. We're going to use SSO mechanism like basic authentication. I have registered in the demo system with the same P user like in SAP Cloud Platform. Finish. Our destination is defined. Let's go back and ping it. Ping successful. Okay, now we should go to the mobile application section and choose SAP Mobile Cards. First of all, we need to add previously created destination to connectivity feature. Go to connectivities, press plus and choose ES5. Let's check our OData service. As you might see, there are some entity sets within the OData. We're going to use sales order set. It's an entity properties of the OData and association to business partners and line items. Okay, looks good. Let's go to the mobile Card main page and start application creation. Let's go to the template manager. As I already said, I'm going to create sales order application. It means we will choose the corresponding template, which is provided by default. Press Create a new card. Okay, let's give our application a meaningful name. I would name it Sales Orders. Data refresh mode, we will leave like it is. Destination. Let's choose our ES5 destination. Card template use automatic instance generation, but query we will change. I would like to see 3 recently created sales orders, their line items, and information about business partner. Collection handling we leave like it is, and query URL and entity key path too. Query refresh mode, I would say keep up to date. Description show sales orders. Good. Additionally, I would like to add one parameter and give it name SOID, and I will use value which I get from the OData. It D sales order ID. $D sales order ID value for our SOID parameter. Okay, currently we could save our template and press no. We will not lock because we're going to provide additional functionality and some correction to our SAP Mobile Card. Let's open our just created SAP Mobile Card and edit it. First of all, we need to provide sample data. I've already prepared a JSON file, and now I just add the data to the data section. Okay, sample data has been added. Now we can go to the editor and correct the template based on our OData service. Here our front side of the SAP Mobile Card. We have some headers, and in these handlebars we have data which we get from the OData service. I've already prepared the HTML file for our front and back sides. So now I just add the content to the SAP Mobile Card. It's the front side, and the back side. Let's go to the front side and check how data looks. Let's go to the back side and check it here. Okay, now we can go to the data mapping tab and check which data is mapped with our fields. Okay, on data mapping tab, we can map fields from the OData service to the data on the SAP Mobile Card. As you might see, all the data is mapped well. We can change format for the date and we can check which data is shown where and how it looks like. Let's go to the backside and check like our backside looks. Sales order ID, amount, maybe we need to use net amount, currency code, quantity and quantity unit. Looks good. Now we can go to the notifications tab and enable push notification. On the first step, we have defined parameter SOID. Let's use it like a parameter to the new card notification. When the new sales order is created, we will get the notification with corresponding sales order ID. Let's provide a meaningful text. When the sales order is changed, we will get the appropriate notification. Good. Now, let's go to the editor and add some pre-built smartphone features to our SAP Mobile Card. As we have date, we can add special class for handling the date. C2G time stamp. Let's go to the address and add here class C2G address. Let's go further and to the phone add class C2G underscore phone number. Let's go to email and add class C2G email. Okay, now we can save our sales orders mobile card and add it to our smartphone. Thanks for watching.